Hello students, let's try to understand echo. If we sit, if we shout or clap near a suitable reflecting object such as a tall building or a mountain, we'll hear the same sound again a little later. This sound which we hear is called an echo. The sensation of sound persists in your brain for about zero point 0.1 second. To hear a distance echo, the time interval between the original sound and the reflected one must be at least zero point 0.1 second. If we take the speed of sound to be 344 meter per second at a given temperature, say 22 degrees Celsius in air, the sound must go to the obstacle and reach back the ear of the listener on reflection after zero point 0.1 second. Hence, the total distance covered by the sound from the point of the generation to the reflecting surface and back sound to be least 344 into 0.134.4 meter. Thus, for hearing distinct echoes, the minimum distance of the obstacle from the uh, sound source sound must be half of the distance, that is 17.2. This distance will change with the temperature of the air. Echoes may be heard more than once due to successive or multiple reflection. The rolling of thunder is due to the successive reflection of the sound from a number of reflecting surface such as cloud and the land. So this is what they called echoes. If you talk about the reverberation, what is reverberation? A sound created in a big hall will persist by the repeated reflection from the wall until it reduced to a value where it is no longer audible. The repeated reflection that result in this persistence of sound is called reverberation. In an auditorium or big hall, excessive reverberation is highly audible, undesirable. To reduce the reverberation, the roof and wall of the auditorium are generally covered with the sound absorbent material like the compressed fiber board, rough plasters, draperies. The seat material are also selected on the basis of their sound absorbing properties. Now let us see the questions. What is the question? A person clapped his hand near a cliff and heard the echoes after 2 seconds. What is the distance of the cliff from the person if the speed of the sound V is taken 346? So speed is equal to distance by t, and they are asking student distance. So speed is how much? 346. Time is 2 seconds. So if you are dividing 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 2 7 ja 14 to 173. No, distance is equal to, how can you do wrongly? I did, student, sorry. It will be something like that. They are asking the distance, no? So d is equal to is into time. Speed is how much? 346 multiplied by 2. So it is the 692 meter. In 2 seconds, sound has traveled twice the distance between the cliff and the person. And the distance between the cliff and person is is 692. So this is what the answer is, student.